A UFO appeared on the live space station camera today. Let me share that with you. Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database, and I just want to share with you something I caught today when I was watching the live internet NASA space station cam. A UFO appeared. It just appeared out of nowhere. For no reason. It went from changing screens and then it was on this UFO, which just disappeared after a few seconds. Is that incredible or what? Let's take a closer look on this. Guys, you can do me a big favor right now if you could hit that subscribe button below that says subscribe to ET Database. That would really help me out. Okay guys, here is a close-up of that UFO, and look at it changing its shape, and it looks kind of like a disc, but it's hard to tell, maybe a cross of some sort. It just has this aura of a mist around it, which is kind of cool, and I'm going to show you a close-up of this in just a second too. Look at that. That is amazing. Now here is a super close-up of this UFO. Watch and see how it changes a little bit, how this aura around it. This is all natural, unedited. This is what I saw. Absolutely incredible. This is an alien craft visiting the space station. And there it goes. It just left. Okay guys, I'm going to show you this craft, and this time I'm going to change it a little bit and add some contrast to it to try to bring out the shape. Right there, I added a little contrast to it. I really wanted to see the original shape, the shape without all the mist around it, and this is what I get. This is what I get. If I add a little bit more contrast, this is it. Look at that. Okay, let's rewind a little bit. This is the beginning where it begins to appear, and you can see it a little bit. It looks very disc-like with a hump on top. Now, really, with the contrast, you can see this is a disc. A disc viewed from the side with a hump in the center on the top and on the bottom. That is absolutely incredible. All I did is add contrast onto this part. That's all I did. Now I'm going to add inverted colors. Now inverted colors is a little bit different. What this does is it shows you the UFO in more of a dark area. Wow. Okay, I don't see a big difference here. We're using Subble, a Subble filter. Okay, this is a filter which goes around all the areas and contours of the object. And this is just a filter I turned on. And this, wow, holy my God, look at that. You see that? Okay, this filter really gives us a good view of it. Let's look at that. Okay, this is where it begins to appear. And you can see there's an edge to the UFO. Wow, look at that. That is a disc, guys. That is an alien disc, a flying saucer, a classic flying saucer visiting our space station. Okay, this is a filter called SOBLE, Subble. It's on my video program. Just kind of amazing. It's just a regular little filter. Oh my God, that is crazy cool, isn't it? What is that? It's like we're looking at it in the Matrix or something. That is what the object is that's visiting our space station. And I saw it there today, June 26, on live cam. Wow, look at that. You can really see a disc inside of that. Just a second, I'm going to get a close-up of this. Okay guys, this is as close as I can get without losing too much detail. This is the Sobel filter on my video program here, and it lets me see the contours all around it. That is absolutely incredible. Look at the details of this. Now I don't think I can get any more focus than this. If I try to add brightness, which I'll do in a minute, I don't want to ruin this. There it goes. There it goes. Did you see that? Okay, let it start over, and here it is. It's on a loop so we can see it. I'm going to lower the contrast, and it kind of was all bally. If I had light, you really can't see anything here. This is too much here, so I'm going to take that light away and bring it back to normal light. This is 100% normal right here. Added saturation. Okay, this is added, pushes colors to be more colorful. So these are the natural colors that are enhanced everywhere. Just natural colors, but it enhances that by about 5 times. Let's go back to that. There it goes. It starts, and you can see that there's a little bit of green on this UFO. It's hard to see it very well, but you can see there is some green reflection on it, which is not too bad. Okay, now I want to bring that saturation back to 0 to be more natural, and I want to go to inverted colors, and that really doesn't show me much. Let's go back to normal. This is normal, but added contrast. Added contrast. Let's go back to the beginning. There it is. We're seeing the UFO. Added contrast on this one. It has been changed. A little bit more contrast. Because if I take the contrast off, it's going to be all fuzzy. This brightness of holier than thou light all around it, which is nice. It's an interesting effect, but I don't like it, and I want to see it in its natural form. And right after this, I'll turn it 100% natural. Okay, there it goes. Now I'm going to turn it back to natural. This is 100% natural right now. Nothing's been changed. It's all original, guys. It's all original. This is what I recorded. Still absolutely incredible. Look at that. Look at that. But with a little contrast, it really came into detail. But now it's a little bit fuzzier around. Looks like a cross of some sort. Could be a sign. Could be a prophecy that's coming true. I have no idea. But clearly, disclosure is happening. They want disclosure to happen. Okay guys, this is 100% original. This is what I saw. It went from a paused screen to this. And as you see, it's the only object out there. It just appeared when the camera changed, and you could see this incredible object out there in space. The blackness of space really brings it up. And now, boom, it's gone. Okay, let's rewind that a little bit. Let's rewind. Let's go back to there we are. This is all natural, guys. Nothing's been changed. It's only been recorded, nothing else. So tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think this is an alien craft? Do you think this is an Area 51 craft? This could be United States Air Force in possession of alien technology. This could be some experimental craft from China or Russia. What do you think this really is? Do you think it's aliens? Do you think it's angels, demons, gods? Do you think it's Pleiadians? Do you think it's humans coming back from the future? I want to hear about your thoughts in the comments below. Please tell me. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.